So this is an AI generated film or an AI generated video. As we can see in this age and time, storytelling is really trending. So I want you to notice a few things about how this video has been made in particular, so that I can verify on something. So this video has been made through motion generated pictures and not motion generated videos. So if you want to take your storytelling or short films to the next level, we better use motion generated videos. So I hope one of your 7 business ideas is having a production company for ads or short films. So let me show you how we can do this. So basically we go to Higgsfield.ai. We will be using Kling 2.5 Turbo to create this as our model to create the short videos and films. So first we will go to Higgsfield and then we go to video, where we will use Kling 2.5 Turbo as our model. So as you can see there's a variety of models. We are going to be using Kling 2.5 Turbo. So as we use Kling 2.5 Turbo, we're going to have a start frame and an end frame, and we're also going to have an effect as well. So to have a start frame and an end frame, you have to generate an image. So a start frame and an end frame are basically images. So for these images, we go to the image section, where we can also apply Nano Banana to create these images. So these are images that I've already created, and I'll just be choosing 2 images from here as my start frame and as my end frame. So you can also generate your own image in the prompt below, in the prompt section below, as you can see. So I'll be using 2 of these as my start frame and end frame. So we go back. So as we said, we're going to have a start frame, which I will be uploading, and my end frame, which I will also be uploading. The effect, I have already chosen it. There's a section right below it for the prompt. You can either add a prompt or you can generate it. If you generate it as it is, it will show in the effect above. So the difference between a start frame and an end frame is that you can use a start frame when a start frame needs to be there, because that is the image that is gonna be generated, on behalf of the effect. So there are different effects, as I've said. So there are effects that have 2 different backgrounds with people, changing clothes, the same person changing clothes. That's where it's necessary to use a start frame and an end frame. But if the video does not require to change backgrounds or scenes or anything, you can just use a start frame, which is just optional. So as I've said, there are different effects, different kinds of effects, and you can choose the one you want, and you can also generate it like that. But if you exactly what you want, you can add a prompt there to just make it more. Yeah, so as you can see, these are our different effects, several, whatever you want and whatever goes with you. You can even load more and you'll find more effects, which like basically whatever you want. So you just generate the video, and if you want to change the effect, you can. With that, I'm proud to announce the pre-release of Kling 3.0 Turbo to take your cinematic videos and short films and storytelling videos to the next level. So basically, this is director material. This is how we'll be generating, there are so many expectations, the enhancements of Kling, the current Kling 2.5 to this. I can only imagine what it can. I decided to Google different effects, of 2.5 Turbo and compare it to 3.0 Turbo, and I'm sure, let me tell you, Google does not lie, and it shows you the effects, even in terms of performance, the quality, everything is just being enhanced, and it's obviously something you want to enroll in if you want to take your videos to the next level. And you can do this solo, so you can do it as a solo business, you can do it as a solo career, you can do it as a solo editing thing. Like, I'm telling you can do this and make your money from this. So Kling 3.0 Turbo is gonna take us to the next level in terms of creating short films and cinema. So I have chosen another effect. So this effect is basically the donut effect, and I've also added a prompt. So this is back to the video that we were creating. As I've said, there's a start frame, there's an end frame, and that's what we'll be using, and then you just generate it. So basically, this is how it's gonna look like. Yeah, this is how it's gonna look like basically. So that's what I've done, and I've used the donut effect, the donut transition effect, and it's perfect. No glitches, nothing. No, there's a lot of consistency, and let me tell you, you will pay way more for this than if you use Higgsfield. So consider it, and the pre-release of 3.0, and there's also early access as well. Yeah, with that, I think we can try use another effect as well to make another video As I've said, you can do anything you want, and I've changed my effect to melting transition on, just because I think it's cool, but I'm still using my same start frame, same end frame, which is pretty flexible, as you can see. So this is how the video is basically going to look like, with my melting transition effect and the same prompt, same start frame, same end frame, and the video itself comes out perfect transition, perfect, no glitches, consistency is key, quality is perfect, everything is just perfect, so consider it. So these are the results of our video. Yes, this was the first video. As you can see, if you couldn't see it clearly, now you can. This is the second video, melting transition. Look at it, beautiful, quality beautiful, and of course very realistic. So Kling 3.0 is coming, so stay tuned and be for the exclusive early access, and don't miss out on this. Thank you.